Date 10 March 2021. I received a message from news company and the news was user of pirated apps increasing rapidly. About millions of computers running on pirated Windows, and Bill Gates, founder and ex-CEO of Microsoft, tweeted about this in 1996. About 3 million computers get sold every year in China, but people don't pay for the software. Someday they will. Through as long as they going to steal it, we want them to steal it. They will get sort of addicted, and then we will somehow figure out how to collect sometime in next decade. It means Microsoft know his software used in China, not only in China but every country without license. It means free of cost. So why Microsoft didn't fight against piracy? Even he promote to use it free. Why Microsoft allow piracy? We will find out in this video. So without any further ado, let's dive into this video. If you don't know what piracy is, so piracy refers to the practice of downloading and distributing copyrighted content digitally without permission, such as music or software. And for your kind of information, I tell you piracy is illegal on internet. If piracy is legal, so why Microsoft allow? The simple answer is to addict you with Microsoft. Had you noticed why from childhood teachers and book teach how to use Windows 7, 8, 10? They taught us about shortcut keys, shutdown windows, printing stuff, and many more things in Windows operating system. From childhood, they treat our environment should we get familiar and addicted with him. When you enter professional area, you will demand Windows operating system because in other OS like Mac OS or Linux, you have to learn how to operate and shortcut keys. If you demand Windows, companies need to buy Microsoft license to do their work. In short, if Microsoft doesn't allow piracy, then Windows operating system may easily replaced by other operating system like Mac OS or Linux. Even Mac OS is very easy to use, and Linux has very wide range of community to operate. There are millions of schools present in India, China, Indonesia, and all over the world that use pirated Windows. Not only in school, people also making videos how to download it free for their work. So is Microsoft in gain or loss? Obviously loss. Loss in present but gain in future. Do you wanna check your PC is pirated or licensed? I'll show you how you can do it. Open Windows, click the search and search CMD, and then right click. Here's the option of run as administrator. Click it and then type this. And here's your result. Your Windows is licensed or pirated. My Windows is licensed. What's yours? After figure out why Microsoft allow piracy, let's find out from where Microsoft makes money. Number 1. Paid apps on Windows Store. If you don't know what is Windows Store, this is service provided by Microsoft team where you can download or buy official apps for your laptop, PC device, just like App Store and Play Store. Number 2. OneDrive. This is cloud space service where you can buy extra space for your device. It's basically a cloud service where you can store your data on cloud, and when you need, just download it. Number 3. Bulk laptops license. We know lots of laptops get sold every month, so companies need to buy license for their laptops. Number 4. Office 65. You know Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Project, and so many of them. They are professional apps. Laptop companies and professional companies buy these apps to do their work. Have you noticed ad on menu bar? No? I'll show you. This is ad, where Microsoft take money from companies to search article, apps and website. This is called menu ad. And the same for ads on Bing. Bing is operated by Microsoft, so ads revenue from Bing goes to Microsoft. So these are the platforms where Microsoft make money. Let's review Sort. Use pirated copy of Windows. Get habitual. Buy license. Make company profit. So the final end is Microsoft is not fool. Microsoft has next level of market strategy. I hope you get the point from where Microsoft earn money and why Microsoft allow piracy.